only medium and means and instrument of changing individuals Islamically is the Quran. You can change people only through Quran. Their thinking, their values, their character, their seerah, everything will be changed through Quran. What does Quran do? First of all, it attracts from the masses, from the people, from the society, good-natured and well-intentioned people. Just as we studied in the third lesson of the first part, Hazrat Luqman, the example of Luqman. They are all always present in this society, people whose nature is not polluted, not perverted. They are good-natured people. Then they have good intentions. But they don't know the way, where to go. So such people, they are attracted by Quran. Then Quran hammers in them the faith, the yaqeen, the iman. And this iman actually, first of all, cleanses their thinking. If they have any wrong ideas, because they belong to a society, they must have gone through the educational system of that society. That society might have brought some wrong thinking in their minds. It has to be cleansed. First of all, the thinking of the individuals is to be changed. And now what will happen then secondly? Then Quran purifies their souls. That is, it makes the intentions correct. To act for Allah, to devote yourself to get the pleasure of Allah. And then Quran makes them firm